Alright, so today we're going to talk about how you check your ignition coil pack on your Harley. You'll need a coil pack and a voltmeter. So I had a Sportster in the shop one day and I had spark at the spark plugs, but I knew the coil was bad. I had a hunch, but I didn't check the coil pack. So I replaced the coil pack and I still had spark, but I couldn't get the bike to fire. So I changed the spark plug wires. Figured that would help. Still got spark, couldn't get the bike to fire. So after throwing all these parts at it, I was scratching my head. So I decided, well, the only thing I haven't replaced yet is the spark plugs. So slapped the spark plugs in and boom, bike fired right up. But I wouldn't have had to throw all those parts at the bike if I would have just checked the coil. But I was right. I had a hunch that the coil was bad, and when I finally did check the coil with the voltmeter, it was bad. So hindsight 2020, I could have saved some time in throwing it at parts, but on the other hand, it needed it anyways. So in order to check your coil pack, these two leads are what you're checking. One here and one here. There's usually two on every coil pack. Set the voltmeter at ohms. The little omega symbol. And you take your two leads and you put them across the coil like that. So you're on the two leads. Now this is a 3 ohm coil. My voltmeter is going to read 3 ohms. A lot of Harleys have 5 ohm. Those are racing coil packs. They run a lot hotter. They're not going to last as long. They'll actually burn up spark plugs faster, and they'll burn up spark plug wires faster. 3 ohm is about average for most Harleys. Some are 4. I've seen some that are 0.6. Most are 3. So once you figure out what coil pack you have, what the ohms should be from the factory, then you'll know what you're checking for. If it's a 5 ohm, you should read 5 ohms. If it's anything less or more, your coil pack's probably fried on the inside somewhere, shorted out, something like that. Now once you figure out if your coil pack is good or bad, go to the description below. We have a website or eBay, and we have thousands of coils sitting on shelves waiting for their new respective owners. Be sure to hit the subscribe button while you're at it and check out our other videos. We may have other information you may need to fix your Harley.